Hello everyone, welcome to today's stream. Today we're going to be building a, I guess it's like a raised planter bed around the rain barrel. So I've had the rain barrel up for a few weeks now. It's been Florida downpours and it's been really pouring off and overflowing into the rain barrel. So I want to utilize the flow off of the rain barrel and make a little garden area for plants that like wet areas. I also want to prevent the erosion of the water running off that corner of my house. So I went to Home Depot today, I bought a whole bunch of stones, and so we're going to put the rain barrel on stones. It's that way where the water runs off the rain barrel and also shoots out the hole that I have for overflow. It doesn't erode the ground there. So we're going to put stones, and then I'm also going to put topsoil, compost, and mulch around the outside of that and have a nice little swampy style garden bed is the idea here. And also, if I ever want to drain the rain barrel, because I have plants, I'm going to have plants there that are going to like really, really moist areas, I can just open the valve and drain out the rain barrel and everything's fine. So that's the ultimate goal of this too. But I want to raise it up a bit and I don't want to dig out the ground, so I'm trying something new. So I'm going to build a border with all the pallet wood behind me. I'm going to put some sealant on it, and so most of today is probably just going to be doing that part and building that quick little border. The bed's actually going to be bigger than I originally thought because it'll just make mowing easier. So I'm making it go all the way to the side of the house and then also include the rain barrel. I'm going to put a little pathway through it so I can walk along the side of the house still. So it's going to come together well. I don't know how much we'll get done today, but we're definitely going to get through chopping the pallet wood at least for a start. But let's get into it. Alrighty, here we have the current state of the garden. So it's looking pretty good. So I added some horse mint. That's a yellow top plant. There's some milkweed. This is a purple thistle. And then over here, that's a maypop. So that's a vine plant. I think it's incarnata. And got some other flowers in here. Growing some new ones down here. And then over here is the rain barrel. working great. And then there's Watson out there sniffing around. And then out here we have some more milkweed, and it's growing in pretty well. And so here, got some, some grass in there. I probably should weed a little bit. Put this little plant right here so that if the monarchs lay their eggs and they have the monarch caterpillars, they got a nice safe area to form a chrysalis. Along with the lattice structure there, it should help as well. But yeah, overall, it came out pretty nice. I'm really, really happy with it. And I think, Watson, do you approve? Do you approve? I think Watson approves. And alright, since we're out here, check out how this garden's doing. So this garden is coming together very, very well. Super thick. Lots of blooming going on in there right now. Plants in different stages of blooming. I think that's the blazing star right there. The big purple one is in bloom right now. Just started to get some blooms here as well for this flower. It looks like it's coming in really nice. These little tropical sage plants, or coccinea here, do a lot of pollination. Bees love these red flowers. I see them on it all the time. So yeah, coming in very, very well. Looking very, very thick. Now I just gotta figure out what to do next, huh? I'm thinking about turning the back corner over there into the next garden. And just to show some other things I've been working on here, over here is my compost station. So there's my fresh grass clippings down there, and that I add my new compost to. And then when it's ready, I add it to tubs. So here are some tubs that I can open one up. I put holes in the tubs, and then I put all the compost in there. So then it finishes, and then I can check it. I can flip it still. I don't have to flip it as much in here, but it helps keep it nice and moist. And then again, here's my current one. So yeah, things are going well out here with the garden. Slowly turning this yard around. There's some brown spots, but it happens. But super happy with it. Thank you for coming along for the first part of this journey in building this, and I appreciate it. If you have any questions, definitely let me know, and I'll see you all on the next project. All right, have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you.